all of this and continuous in the law tadila kirans tungu FAR first information report the tep shu the district odina kirang information needs to kharla yume odina kyang worta first information report che tadi station house officer tilaya kurang register nyani kurang ne tu ni first information report shugulle ni aju thangbo ni ju thang kirang chala lag unit kharchi unit thangbo dilaya police station dilato SHO tu ni and kirang SHO station house officer dine kirang kharleng ursana dealing ro FAR first information report shugudle and kirang ni ju khar long sama fil chini kurang submit chobro kurang ya tishiken sama tiche oche an kurang ti samalo ti chigre ya tanya chen any that tiship che jora okay this is the third content of this chapter, rural administration. The maintenance of the land record. See here, the maintenance of land record lana anjuki ta saja nyangni ki maintenance lana saja ki record joro saja ki denna khar yume saja ki ta saja dinalo changma ki ikcha changma nyangni joro yabuchine nyangni dil kharla ores ta saja record ta changma nyangni dil patwari lekpel ta chig mongbo ra saja ge ta maju defense are there right kura ming lo mongbo ra ato shebena patwari la bena maju saja ke tinyanye de record korwa ikcha chama nyanye di patwari ge lenge kharesna patwari's duty they includes conducting land survey field supervision and reporting the crime to the police. The role of the Patwari is important in investigation. The record of the Patwari help the police to find out which person has extended his bond from the original boundary. The Patwari di nyalaso Patwari di land di ikcha sama khatsu mikran sajik sashingi ikcha sama su nya orsna Patwari nya ores. Patwari ge lengen zot khachine survey che the land saja khachu mongbo saja chammal da kesi saja da dine dewa che saja ning ta nyokra du hlamne sama patwari damro patwari khachi ge sna kurang ta saja di sui marto la jor investigation takche che ko yikjekin takche che am police la ya da one saja di tanda kuni mohan da kuni jeshora mohan saja susara ra hu sara adina ko gi patwari dam yora record changma patwari la na tanda saja ge ikjanya ni de purang jam tone ani bandi as one sadu saja dine sadu samdu ikja samosu la wat patwari dam yora patwari dam tone ikja ti sadu ko gi saja mohan saja sadu samdu ta dira okay odiche next okay a new law thadina law yes timsa awshli gora okay now let me read all this. First, a new law, the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, came into the force from the September 2005. The government India has issued a notification to this effect. And then, second, the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. This act has been passed to remove general discriminatory provision the Hindu Succession Act 1956 and give the following right daughter under the section 6. The daughter co-princess joined her by birth become the co-princess by the right to in the same manner as son. The daughters has the same right in the co-princess property she would have had if she had been a son. In the new laws, son, daughter, and their mothers can get equal share of the land. Hajanagi Hindu Succession Amendment Act la timsao chungra timsao the kharjini chungra the pudam pomoni li parole chala ine da chikta nima there's a lot of discrimination which exists in Indian community ta kya ki chizo na lo ya da penetration dowry la jora dowry system la bena manji dowry la dahish le ra manju ki da pesha te jora 교가 나라 배샤 편충부터 해야 저러 나가나 신기 사티 시스템 아니마니마 사티 시스템 저러 아니 그지 교가디 시소나 아니 김에 코라야 메기 말이야 반쳐라 set themselves in fire 김에 디 코라 메라타야 저러 사티 시스템 다네 힌두 succession amendment 디 가두 충부 팀 사우 니 동안을 충으라 and kadugi nidunga gi September gi ta government gi this the effects Hindu succession amendment di so the kharchiga discrimination jora puda pomuni paroli asset in property to some pala ta nangmi digi gyujala chamo phudi gan thagidwa ta phudi gan gyujala pala kesi nangmi gyu chamo ta dedina dokto kharshi gors na kiran ta kesi digi timdena puineda pomoineda nang amaineda nang gyujala khandijim saja khandijim ne changmolo chikpa chikya umo bumji yebena ani pomudilaya tingaraya phudila tingaraya an amade nyamdola da dish changma pala thonsona changmalo ya len saja ena saja ega khazu yebene changma nandi juno changmalo chikpa chikya raya ngoma do chashabena succession na desam phudila pomudila dawa mepche gyujala changma saja da gyujala changma sula tharu phudil tharu ora ta dina di timdena geja kharishelo usna puineta pomoineta daga neshingi khalawara amaineta changma pomolda changmalori sajagi pala thombe chele sajagi dawang gyujala nangmi gyujala changma chikpa chikyang koshe ge res wojena Hindu Succession Amendment Act dinalaya labsha res. Okay, third, Tulsidas revenue administrative officer in charge of the obtaining taxation from the Tulsi is called Patwari. That Tulsi dokdoshen Tulsi khala Patwari ta dina kharchin collection share collection revenue nan sate duet. Okay, the pictures you can see the pictures daughters right in the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. The pomole gyujala puineta pomoineta equal shield between man, daughter and son, woman, mother. The pomoda changmalo ya gyujala changmalo chikpa share che karinela changma chikpa share che okay that is how che. The home assignment kechimboche write the old textbook access the tande chapter dina lo ingyo di yorwa textbook changma ji yorwa textbook di ingyo rural administration what tiache I Hindu Succession Amendment Act la de kharu gochoso odinga dixteche and police station gal kirang nose changes chiro chile. Okay, now here I'm concluding here this chapter. And if you have any doubt the kisi ki queries de ben ani ngala ya chu WhatsApp ki private na le dewa chiro chi still many students are very active to ask me questions. Please speak continue ani good luck. Kerang exit lero yore exit prepare chiro chi. Now here I'm conclude.